Welcome to television. The clowns get to perform their divine tricks.
Lion fight?
You get to be the corpse.
Uh-oh. We get to... Through the clown's mouth. This is very bright. I'm sure with the 3D... Ooh, the 3D glasses, this is probably like...
Yes, I'm gonna blow them off!
How's your fingers and toes?
Oh, that really hurt!
Those are the biggest clown shoes ever. Hey! Don't you start on me! Ah.
Did you shit on me?
I bet he comes out and grabs hold of you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
He definitely comes out.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
these are-
Miss the amazing Madam Olga. See the amazing three-headed giant man. Whoever seen an honest woman?
Oh! Oh, my. Oh!
10 cents, 1 dime, 1/10 of an hour.
Like, those aren't just painted. They're actual, like, 3D objects. So many clowns. Oh, God. He's got a big word. Oh, yeah. Woo! Look at that mirror in that head. Yeah. Oh, what is that? Woo, what are you? Ego teeth. Oh! Ice cream! Look at the house on fire. That's pretty stupid. Ice cream! Woohoo! These clowns drive crazy. That's awesome. Oh, Free licks. Oh boy. Giant claw. Oh. I don't talk it right now.
You're safe, I think, Laura.
I'm safe.
I think you're safe.
Tiffany is not
Tiffany
safe.
is not safe. Don't trust him.
That's gonna get in probably the middle of the group because I set it off. Ooh, that one makes me look skinny. Can we have that mirror? Ah! Yeah. Ooh. Little person like here looking thing. Pretty trippy. And we're going up a ramp. We're going up. Oh no! He's shooting us. I hope the floor's getting like really wonky here. Got the mirrors on the end. Whoa, still spinning. Holy shit! That was a good one. And the floor is still you look there and probably get nailed right there. Ooh, now we're in the museum. Can you put your glasses there? Yeah. Oh my God.